In this video, I will share what to do when you have a water damage based on my recent experience. So a month ago, one Sunday evening, I was in a first floor one of rooms and I saw water pouring from the ceiling through the central light fixture. It felt like a waterfall inside of my home. So that was the experience. And then I would like to share what to do exactly when you have water damage in your home based on my experience. Step 0. Stop the water and drain standing water ASAP. So as I mentioned before, a huge amount of water rushing through the ceiling light. It was an unbelievable moment. I immediately ran upstairs to turn off the water and then drained all the water from the bathtub. And even after turning off the water and leak continued for a while. And if this happened to you, immediately put the big containers and bucket under the water leak to prevent the further damage to the floor. And then step 1 is call a plumber ASAP. And then the next early morning, Monday morning, the plumber arrived and then he cut open a very small section of the ceiling to find the leak. And we found it. Then once he fixed it, he ran a test to make sure it was secure. So we created exactly the same situation as the previous night when water damage happened. And then make sure a lot of water in the bathtub above the overflow faucet, there was no leak. Tested exactly same scenario and then the fix was done. And the next step 2 is contact your insurance, home insurance, and file a claim. And call your home insurance company ASAP. And then take photos and videos of the damage and ask for coverage and required documents. And also, before filing a claim, check your deductible amount. And if the repair cost is less than your deductible, you might not need to file a claim. But if the cost is higher, filing claim can save you money. Step 3 is remove damaged areas and dry the space. Normally, this will be done by a mitigation team if you contacted a professional plumbing company. And in my case, the mitigation team removed the carpet, drywall, insulation, ceiling. Then drying the damaged space. The drying process took 7 days with 3 loud, industrial, huge fans running day and night. It took 7 days. And the noise level was quite high, so I had to wear a noise-canceling headphone at home. The technician visited daily to check the moisture levels and aiming for below 16% humidity. And step 4 is meet with the insurance adjuster. So once you file the claim, insurance company will tell you who is your claim adjuster. So you contacted adjuster and then make an appointment to meet. Adjuster came to visit our house, then estimate, review the damaged area, and then later he emailed me the estimate. And the goal here is to restore everything to how it was before the damage. And the estimate include materials and labors, other costs. And step 5 is negotiating the insurance estimate. So if the estimate is too low, you can get a contractor's quote for comparison and submit the contractor's estimate to the adjuster. Then negotiate if there is a big difference. So make sure that initial estimates are not final and you can request a change. In my case, our contractor's estimate is slightly higher than the insurance estimate, like maybe 15% higher, and we submitted and then it was approved. Yeah, so it's always good to have ask contractors what is the estimate, and then we can compare it with the initial insurance estimate and then negotiate. And then step 6 is understanding insurance payment. So your insurance company will send you 2 checks. So one check is for you, and this covers repairs after the deductible. And then the second check is for mitigation team. This covers the cost of removing damaged materials and then dry space. And then when you receive those 2 checks, first check you use it, and the second check is send the exact same check, make a payment to our mitigation team. And step 7 is repair and restore the room. So once insurance is settled, hire a contractor or DIY the repairs and install new drywall and paint and floor, etc. Right? And if you want upgrades, you may have to pay extra. And now it's time to restore the room. You can rebuild it exactly as before or use the chance to upgrade the design. For us, the insurance payment mostly covered the material, but the labor and the contractor's fee will be out of our pocket. And then we like to use this opportunity to change a little bit of a design because there is no ceiling, no floor, no wall. And what a great opportunity in a way to change some designs. And here is my final thoughts and tips. The lesson I learned is that a small cracks or worn-out caulking can lead to a big damage. And in order to prevent the future issues, I will regularly check the cracks and then the loose seals. And in terms of our progress, we just finished the electrical work, and then right now actually the work is going downstairs, going on in the downstairs. You may hear some background noise. Today we are building a wall, and then this week we will have some progress to restore the damaged room. And I really hope you never have to deal with the water damage, but if you do, stay calm and follow these steps to fix and restore everything properly. And thanks for watching. In my next video, I will share the before and after transformation of the restored room. And please stay well. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.